Hi, good evening everyone. I'm Jasmine Valdez and this is our daily devotion. And our topic for today is, ano ang pinakamagandang pangarap sa buhay? Calvinism. Isaiah 43:7 NIV. Everyone who is called by my name, whom I created for my glory, whom I formed and made. So, we need to know na yung question, it actually asked about um excuse me, it's actually about the dream in life from Calvinist perspective. So according daw sa Calvinism, the highest goal of humanity is to glorify God, and this means that the best dream in life is one that brings honor and praise to God. Ano-ano nga ba yan? Syempre, by doing everything what He has told us to do. And syempre, by acting, not just acting, which is doing rather, by doing the Christ-likeness in our daily life. So that nakikita sa atin daw yung Christ-likeness. That's how we can glorify the name of the Lord. And a Calvinist would likely say that the best dream in life is to live a life that is fully devoted to God's will. This means living a life of obedience, love, and service to God. And it also means using our gifts and talents to bring glory to God. So, yung best dream daw, it's not just about a personal achievement, but it is about living a life that is pleasing to the Lord. So, that's the key point here is you have to live a life just like how Christ lived a life here while He is still living here in the earth. That's the basic point in this topic. So, let's answer this one. What is your mission in life that, when accomplished, would give a greatest glory to God? So, syempre, the greatest mission naman talaga, di ba, is to go on and make disciple. Ayun yung pinakalas na iniutos niya before siya mag-ascend sa heaven. So, I believe that will be the greatest mission in my life that I need to follow. Wherein, right now, yung pagti-teacher ko, it can be a way where I can reach a lot of people and to share about the goodness of the Lord. And that is our topic. Ano ang pinakamagandang pangarap sa buhay? Have a good day and bye for now.